Must know life-saving antibiotics for urinary tract infections. Amoxicillin, ciprofloxacin, fosfomycin, nitrofurantoin. For lung infections like pneumonia, levofloxacin, azithromycin, amoxicillin, ceftriaxone. For skin and soft tissue infections, doxycycline, clindamycin, trimethoprim, cephalexin. It's like ear or brain infections, meningitis, cefotaxime, vancomycin, ceftriaxone, meropenem. Disclaimer: always consult a doctor before taking any antibiotic. Never self-medicate.